Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Amanda Mutia Sandi with student ID 2025-32084. I am from Class C Information System, and in this video I will present to you my first practical report for the C++ program. Okay, first we include iStream and use the std namespace. Then inside the main function we display a welcome message with code. Next we create some variables like string nama lengkap for full name, int umur for age, string alamat for address, string no HP for phone number, and string email. And we ask the user to input their data, so we use getLine Chin nama lengkap for the full name because it may contain space. For age we use Chin umur and then Chin ignore. And the address also used getLine, while phone number and email can use Chinned. So yeah, we print all the information back to the screen with code. Let's test the program. When we run it, ask us to enter the full name, age, address, phone number, and email. And after we type everything, the program shows the data exactly as we entered. So a very simple C++ program to enter and display an integer number. Let's look at the code. First, we include iStream because it's needed for input and output in C++. Then we use namespace std, so we don't have to type std code or std chained. Inside the main function, we create an integer variable called angka. We ask the user to enter a number using code. After that, we use chain angka to read the input and store it into the variable. And yeah, finally we display the number back to the user with code. So when we run the program, it asks us to type a number. For example, like in this video, I entered 3. So the program prints, you enter number 3. Okay, next is a simple C++ program to input and display a single character. Okay, we also include iStream for input and output, and we use namespace std. Inside the main function, we create a variable with type char called huruf. The type char is used to store a single character like A, B, or C. And we use code to ask the user to enter one character. Then we use chain huruf to take the input and store it inside the variable. And yeah, finally we display it back using code huruf. And when we run the program, it asks us to type one character. For example, in this video, I type A. So the program will print you entered A. Okay, the last program in this video, I will enter my favorite song and favorite singer. We also include iStream and use namespace std. And inside the main function, we create two string variables. First, lagu favorit for the favorite song, and penyanyi favorite for the favorite singer. And we ask the user to enter their favorite song using code, and we use getLine Chin lagu favorit to read the input. And we do the same thing for the favorite singer. So we display the result using code. When we run the program, like we type the song name, for example, Style, and the singer name, Heart to Heart. So the program will print the same thing what we type, like favorite song Style and favorite singer Heart to Heart. So yeah, this example is very simple, but it shows how we can use string and getLine in C++ to handle text input, including space. Okay, maybe that's all for my first practical report video, and I hope the explanation was useful and easy to understand. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.